4-in-1 mix. So we've got our sand, 2 bags of sand, half a bag of cement, our plasticizer, which is very important for mixing because without plasticizer, cement you can't use it basically. Plasticizer helps it to make it workable. And so we've got our mixing board, our water, our shovels, and so we're going to show you how to mix cement ready for building the brick wall. Taking 2 bags of sand, lay them out like this. They are 10 shovelfuls to the 2 bags, adding half a bag of cement. This gives us a 4-in-1 mix, adequate for laying bricks in the UK. Give it a good turning over, start by rolling it around, making sure that the sand and the cement is mixed together, as you can see we are doing here. This ensures that it's all mixed together before you add the water. Make a kind of a pyramid in the middle. The more you can move it around like this, the more air you're adding to the cement. And as you do that, you get a far better composition. Test it like this. Still a little bit stiff, not workable enough. So we're going to have to add a bit more
whipped cream
pounding to knock more air in it.
what you want it to
Always
spread.
test it
Yeah,
if you're mixing by hand.
but not run. Yeah, not run. That's the bread mixing it. You want that air in it. See it getting wetter. Yeah.
These troughs are ideal. They don't let the water run out everywhere onto your drive. You can get them from any hardware store. Now, as you can see, we've knocked a lot more air in, and that should be a little bit more workable now. As I take the trowel and give it a test again. There we go. That's much better. As you can see, it moves around easy. And I'm happy with that. There you go. Nice and workable.